Okay, so there we go. Looks like a little letterbox. That's it from the other side. What you're going to do now is you're going to take your zip. I usually stitch the open close end. Just makes it easy, stops the bits flopping around, makes it easy to stop them flapping when you're sewing, keeps them together. So I normally then pop my zipper where I would want it to go. Grab a couple of pins, which I've left over here. You have to excuse me a moment. I'll grab a couple of pins here at the ends. There we go. Sorry. And same at this end. Turn it over. Make sure that looks alright, how you want it. Okay, and then, see there, it's not quite right, so I'm just going to realign that little end bit. There you go, try again. Make sure it's where you want it exactly. So it lies in the middle, just so, in the middle. Then, you're going to take it over to your machine, and you're going to top stitch all the way around. Probably about 5mm or smaller if you can, around there. Just make it nice and tidy. And when I've done that, I'll bring it back to you and we'll do the next bit.